Chart of the day for July 10, Thursday, we have gold currently sitting at this resistance level. So trend line resistance yan, and at the same time, horizontal resistance. So very bullish yung directional bias natin short term for gold, but possible na at this level pwede tayong magka-reaction. So pwedeng mag-cause yan ng retracement, maybe back to this potential support level. So yung gold watch list ng community namin yan since Wednesday. So kung makikita nyo, ito yung watch list namin. Gold bullish at ang support namin 32.82, which is ito yun. So dito nag-bounce yung price. So yung ibang members namin sa community nakapag-long at that level. So again, pay attention dito sa level na to kasi pwede tayong magkaroon ng bearish price action dyan today. So, yun lang guys. Good luck and trade safe.